This one is another picture I get to use a brush tip Posca on. In fact, it's the last one of the month, unfortunately. Once again, I didn't want to waste it, so I decided to do a tree. Alright, now hear me out. Stylized leaves are similar to feathers, and I figured the brush tips are good at feathers, so they should probably be good at simple leaf shapes as well. Or at least, that's the theory I was going on. But I didn't want to do just any tree, so I decided to do a sort of Celtic tree of life, with the branches stretching out above and the roots spreading out below kind of deal. However, when I googled images for reference, the pictures Google gave me didn't have the eye in the center. So is that like not common? I feel like I've always seen eyes in the middle of the tree trunk on these. Maybe I'm crazy? I couldn't really find any like that when I searched for a tree of life on Google. Maybe that's not what this is called? Or maybe this is like a different version or variant or something? I don't know, but I added the eye like I'm used to seeing. However, the roots underneath sort of ended up looking more like a writhing mass of tentacles, and the eye sort of makes it seem like some sort of Lovecraftian horror that disguises itself as a tree and then eats passerbys or makes them go crazy or something. Yeah, so that's fun. After I finished the tree with the eye and the leaves and all that good stuff, I decided to add little Celtic knots around the outside. I used to draw these a lot. You draw a line of an odd number of boxes, and then lines of boxes less and less on the top and bottom of it, and then you connect them with alternating lines to make them look woven together. That was a really bad description, and you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. It's actually very simple. Maybe I'll try to explain better some other time. Anyway, after I finished the knots and colored in the black background, green was check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.